good day and welcome to this tutorial class. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MAEKLL Tech. Alright, for today we'll be looking at the problem on the screen. It is actually in third angle orthographic projection. So two views we are given the plan, which is at the top, and we are given the front view, which is at the bottom. So we'll be converting this orthographic projection into isometric projection. Okay, we'll be converting this two-dimensional drawing into into three-dimensional drawing, and along the way we will be applying the principle of isometric circle. Okay, so to start solving this problem, the very first thing we are going to do here is I'm going to produce a thin horizontal line in this order. Okay, after that I am producing a vertical line in this order like this. Okay, I'm producing a vertical line in that order like that. Then my very next step is to pick my set square. Okay, yeah, I'm drawing my isometric plane. On this axis I have this in that order. Then on this axis, okay, I am having this right here isometrically on this axis, this right here. Okay, so after that, so 128 radius 20, that's 40 plus 128 is what? 168. So with my ruler I pick mark of 168. Okay, so this is my mark of 165, 67, this mark of 168 right here. Okay, that's the mark of 168 right there. Okay, then after that I'm picking a height of 32 first of all, which is somewhere here, 32. Okay, yeah, which is this height of 32, which is this. That's the height of 32 there. Okay, so this is it right here. Then the span right here, I'm having first of all I'm having 44 plus 20 is what? Is 64. So span of 64, which is this right here. Okay, this is it right here. So each of those areas I'm going to project them right now. Okay, so first of all, this junction right here like this. Okay, this junction from here like this. Okay, then I'm having this right here. Okay, in the order I'm having this right here in this order. Okay, so the very first thing I'm actually going to do here is this. Okay, let me wrap this up. I'm drawing this like this. Okay, that way, and I'm having this way like this. Okay, so I don't need this any longer, so I take this out. Okay, so that's right there. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to provide the junctions here. Okay, and these junctions here. So we said it is radius what? Radius 20. That will be diameter of what? Diameter 40. So with my compass, okay, let me pick radius 20. With radius 20 standing right here, I mark 1, 2. Okay, with the same 20 right here, I mark 3. With the same 20 right here, I mark. Okay, I'm going to replicate the same thing right here. Okay, 1, 2. With the same 20, I mark. With the same 20, I mark. Then I'm going to pick my set square, my 30 degree by 60 degree set square. That's what we use for isometric drawing. Okay, so I'm going to actually project this way from here to the bottom there, projecting this from here to the bottom there. Okay, so I'm having this right here for this junction here, 1, and for this junction here I'm having this 2. Okay, likewise this area here 1, and this area here 2. So then I'm going to pick my ruler, okay, from the corner right here. I join from here to there, and from here back there. So likewise from here, sorry, then I'm going to actually join my longest diagonal here also, like this. Okay, so right here I'm going to join my longest diagonal also like this. Okay, so from here to here, I think that's all I'm going to need right there. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so now first of all, this area, placing my compass here, extending it down here, I'm gonna draw this out like this. Okay, I'm going to make it thick once and for all, making it thick. Okay, that's it right there. So then coming right here, placing my compass here. Okay, from here I'm going to what? Draw this. Okay, that's that area right there. So I'm going to replicate the same thing I top to the what, to the bottom here. So how do I do that? I'm going to just pick my set square like this. Okay, picking my set square and my T square. So from here downward, okay, from here downward. Okay, so yeah, this midpoint downward, this midpoint downward, right? So then I'm going to pull this right here like this 1. Okay, then I'm going to pull this also right here like this 2. Okay, and I'm going to come here, pull this right here like this 3, and pull this also 4. Okay, right, so then I'm going to pick my ruler, I'm going to join this from here 1 and 2. So then picking my compass from here down here. Okay, and that's gonna be it's going to be from that junction. So extend my compass down here. Okay, then I'm drawing, which is this from that junction there. Okay, from that junction there. So I have that in that order right there. Okay, so then I'm going to replicate the same thing right here also. So from here I'm joining this like this. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to pull this first of all downwards like this 1. I'm pulling my area down there 2, pulling this down here 3. Yeah. 3. I'm pulling this down here 4. Okay, so pulling this outrightly here like this. I think I'm gonna pull this also downward like this. Okay, I'm pulling this like this also inwards. Okay, and I'm pulling this also like this, right? And I'm going to pull this like this also, right? Then I'm going to pick my ruler, join the longest diagonal, which is from here to here right there. And I'm going to pick my compass. Okay, now I pick my compass from this area down here like this. So then with my compass at the center right here. Okay, so I'm going to what, just draw like this faintly. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to pick my ruler, join this to this like this. Okay, yeah, that's it right there. Then I'm going to zip this up right here like this. Zip this right here like this. Zip this right here like this. Okay, yeah, going to zip this to this also like this. Okay, going to zip this also from here to that right here like this. All right, so we are getting there. Okay, so we are told that on the inside here we have holes of diameter 20. So how do we get that? Diameter 20, that will be radius of what? Radius of 10. So I'm gonna pick my compass, okay, with radius 10, which is this, with radius 10. Standing at this midpoint, I would 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, standing at this midpoint with radius 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then I'm going to pick my set square. With my set square, okay, on this mark here, I pull this way. On this mark here, I pull this way. Okay, isometrically, I pull this way, and I pull this way. Okay, then longest diagonal already joined, so this down here, and this to this, this to this, and this to this. Then with my compass standing right here to here, I draw, I make it bold. Okay, make it bold, that's it. Then from here also I make it bold. Okay, and at this intersection, yeah, right here, I draw. Then at this intersection right here, I draw. So I have my first hole right there. So then coming right here also, yeah, with my set square. Okay, my set square, this first junction here, I draw faintly. Second junction here, I draw faintly. Okay, so that third mark here, I draw. Then this fourth mark right here, I draw. Okay, so from here down here, and from here down here, from here to there, and from here to here. So then picking up my compass, right, standing right here, I draw boldly. See, boldly. Then standing right here, I draw boldly. Okay, so then standing at the intersection here, okay, I draw. And standing at the intersection here, I draw. So that is it on the screen right there. Okay, I think we are making waves. We are moving forward little by little. So this area here, mark of 20. This is the mark of 20 there. So I'm going to draw that all the way down here like this. Okay, all the way down there. So then from that area, I am projecting it upward. Okay, yeah, before I actually project it upward, midpoint of 168, that's going to be 84. Okay, so with my ruler, yeah, Yeah, that's 168. My ruler, I pick mark 84. I want to get the midpoint. This mark of 84 right here. Okay, that mark of 84. Okay, yeah, that mark of 84. I bring it down here first of all. Okay, after bringing it down here first of all. Okay, yeah, 40 minus 58 is what is 18. So from this edge here, I measure mark of 18. This is a mark of 18 right there. So on this mark of 18, I project it vertically upwards, which is this, like this right there. So after that, yeah, 95 minus 32, that's 63. So I'm having height of 63 from here. 63. Okay, this is height of 63 right here. So on this height of 63, I'm going to project it isometrically like this. Zoom. Okay, so let me erase this one here, no, and I don't think I need these lines here for now. So yeah, let's excuse those ones for now, and this, yeah. So how do we go from here now? So the cylindrical aspects, we have two cylinders, okay, intersecting each other out there, okay, inside each other. So the bigger one is diameter 64. Let's start from there. Diameter 64 will be radius what? Radius 32. With my compass, I pick 32. With 32, I come here, I mark 1, 2, 3, and what? And 4. Okay. Do you see that? That's it. So then on those 4 areas, I'm going to what? Actually bring them out isometrically. Okay, this comes here 1, so this area comes here 2. Okay, this area comes like this 3, and this area wraps it up here 4. So I have my square. I have my square right there. Okay, so I'm going to join the longest diagonal first of all, which is here to here. So zoom it up. So from there, so from this area down here first of all, like this 1, then here to here 2. So I think we are good to go. Yeah, so I'm going to pick my compass. Okay, picking my compass, sitting right here from here to here. Okay, I'm drawing this bold once and for all, bold. So it's bold like this, and I'm replicating the same thing right here from here. It's bold also, as you can see on the screen. So then this intersection right here from here to here, like this, making it bold also. Then from here to here, like this, yeah. So making it bold also. Okay, so I think that area is settled. So yeah, we have another circle on the inside. That one is diameter 38. That will be radius what? Radius 19. So with my compass, I measure radius 19, which is this. With this standing right here, I mark 1, 2, 3, and what? And 4. So I'm going to project them isometrically also. So right here, I have 1. Faintly, okay, right here I have isometrically t square as set square, very important, 30 by 60 degrees set square. I have this 2 right there. Okay, so yeah, this junction, okay, I have this 3, and my 4th mark here, which is this junction here. Okay, I have it as what? 4. Okay, longest diagonal already joined. So all I have to do is just to pull this from here to here, bam, and from here to here. Okay, bam. So next procedure, pick my compass, standing right here comfortably like a prince. Then I'm going to drawing this boldly, as you can see, boldly. Oh, my compass is shaking. Okay, right there. Then from here also, yeah, that's it also. So make it boldly also, yeah, after drawing that. So from our intersection right here, I have this here, okay, then I'm having this, okay, here, having this here, okay, as you can see, settled like that. So now let's get the extension right here. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so the distance of, yeah, the thickness is 58. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this edge of my box here to the back. Okay, transferring it isometrically also. I have this, I have this. Okay, so the midpoint also, to make my work easier, I have that also. And after that, length of what, 58. So I'm going to pick my compass 58, which is this. Then from here I have what, this, which is what, right there, the mark of 58 right there. Then I'm going to just pick my set square at angle 30 degrees from here and what, gladly project it. Wow, yeah, wow, that's where my paper actually ends. Fantastic, quite fantastic. All right, okay, so the next thing is to pull this also, yeah, from here to the back. Okay, yeah, this midpoint to the back. Okay, yeah, so then I'm going to actually pull this like this down here. Okay, in that order. Hope I haven't made mistake. I need room for 0 error. Okay, so yeah, ensure you draw your own faintly. Okay, I don't need this line because of confusion. Okay, so then I'm going to pull this all the way, yeah, from here backwards here. Okay, then from this junction, okay, that intersection at the top here, that junction, I pull it downward 1. So from here I pull this 2. Okay, so then I'm going to pull this like this. Okay, that's the advantage of set square and T-square. It makes your work practically easy, okay, and faster. So I'm going to join from here, longest diagonal as usual. Okay, after that has been settled, so from this corner to this one, then from this edge to that corner, making it 2. Okay, what next? Pick my compass. Okay, I'm developing for diameter 64 first of all. Okay, so from here down here, I only need half of my circle here, yeah, half. So making it thick once and for all. Poof, thick. Okay, then from here I'm having this, which is, yeah, so I'm going to stop it right there. I'm stopping it right there at that junction there, and I'm going to, first of all, okay, before I zip it out, let me complete this bottom part here. Okay, having this here like this, I'm going to end that one there also. Now for the internal one, instead of me disturbing myself, we said the internal one is diameter 38. That will be radius what? Radius 19. So with radius 19 right here, from this midpoint, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I don't need to show it because I can't actually see it here. I'm only seeing it from here. I can't see the inside here. So my work is easy. Okay, so all I'm going to do is pick my ruler from here to here and what? Zip this area up boldly like that. So then from here down here also, going to what, zip it up this way boldly like this. Okay, so settled. So what next? Get the arc here and that other area and we call it a day. All right, I'm coming. Okay, so to wrap it up, we are told that the web-like structure here, okay, that we have here is a thickness of 20 from the end here. Okay, so from here I measure mark of 20, which is this area right here to here is 20. Okay, so from the edge of our box here, okay, first, check the dimension on the screen. First mark of 20, then here to here was 20, so it is sitting from here to here. Okay, and we are told that the radius of that arc is radius 88. So I'm going to pick my compass, measure radius 88, which is this, with radius 88. This first mark here, first of all, I draw this, you can see faintly. Then this first mark here also faintly. Then with the same radius 88, from that point of intersection right there, I draw from here like this. Okay, yeah, so it is this midpoint here. Okay, wait, I think I've made a mistake. Sorry, sorry, my bad. So I think this second one here is okay. Yeah, it is that first one I actually made a mistake with. Okay, so this is what is going to happen. My mark of 20 at the top there, I project it downward 1 and 2. Okay, so this is where it touches. This is the midpoint line. Okay, it touches it right here and right here. So with my 88, okay, from this area here I mark. So this is my intersection right there. So from this intersection with this thing 88, I draw. You see that? Make it bold. Okay, so this was an error in the first place. So that one is settled right there. Okay, so with the same 88, I come here. You see that I draw first arc. With the same 88, I come right here. I draw second arc. I have my intersection right here with 88 and that same intersection right there. I draw this. Make it bold. So after drawing that, I'm going to actually erase this part. It won't be visible. Yeah, this part won't be visible. That is what I am doing presently. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to redraw this to make it much more visible. Okay, that's it right there. Okay, so those areas are developed now. This right here. Okay, so yeah, the same thing actually applies to the end over there. Okay, so but going to wrap this like this from here to that end there, first of all, like this. Okay, and make it bold. Oh, an error from me here, sorry. So okay, so how do we get the other part here? Coming. Okay, so to get the concluding part here, so I've predicted this one down here. Okay, my next procedure will be this my midpoint here. This is it right here. Okay, I'm projecting it like this faintly. Okay, there are midpoints faintly like that. After that, so these 2 points, so we won't be able to actually see this point, so we don't need to show it, but we'll be able to see this. So this point here, I'm going to project it down there. Okay, so this point here, projecting it downward. Okay, so this is it right here. That's the point right there. Do you see that? So now picking my compass and measuring 88. Okay, with the same radius 88, which is this. It's 88 standing right here. First of all, okay, I draw this arc that you are seeing on the screen with 88. Okay, so with 88 I come right here. Yeah, this junction, this is it here. So I draw this corresponding arc. Can you see that? So that's the junction there. So with the same 88, I come to that junction right there. Then I align it. So then I'm going to thicken it actually. Okay. I don't need to draw it here. Okay. Just stop at the edge there. So that is it on the screen right there. So that's the solution to that particular problem. So then to wrap it up, I'm going to join this here like this boldly like that. All right. So yeah, so far so good. That is the solution to that problem on the screen. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you can also reach out to us to help you solve any problem you encounter in technical or engineering drawing. Okay, yeah, we are your correct blog to actually solve the problem for you. Okay, so my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MAEKLL Tech. Thank you.